Hello and welcome to the first ever Metex sprayer tips video. In this series of videos we're going to show you how to properly care for and troubleshoot any issues that you may have with your Chapin sprayer. In today's video we're going to show you how to properly clean out your sprayer after using harsh chemicals that might otherwise permanently damage your seals and gaskets. Now let's get started. After you've finished using your sprayer, don't leave the chemical in overnight. Spray any excess back into the container or dispose of it responsibly. Once you've done this, grab your bottle of SmartSeal cleaning fluid and top up as directed. Now flush out the system straight back into the container. You can do this up to 30 times. To be extra safe, you want to ensure your filler cap seal isn't compromised. Dunk it in a bowl of cleaning fluid for a few minutes. Pull it out and leave it to dry overnight before replacing it the next morning. Finally, wipe down your kit and the filler mouth and you're ready for the next use.